I was feeling a bit like I was definitely feeling different, and then I got on that scale and I realized that I had lost 5 kg, which is 11 pounds. I was mind blown. Oh my god, this thing actually works. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Antwiwaa if you are new here, and if you are returning, what's up my G? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I did the 7-day juice cleanse, and all I can say is it works. For 7 days, I decided to drink only juice, no solid food whatsoever, so juice and water. I wasn't expecting that much of a weight loss, but it worked for me, and if you're interested in losing some weight, it will work for you. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I did it, what I ate, what went into my juice, how I was feeling, what I could have done better. Basically every single thing from day 1 all through to day 7. So if you're interested in that, you definitely want to stick around and watch this video. So like a good number of people, when the year started, I had a certain weight goal that I wanted to achieve by the end of the year, and I was dieting on and off, working out on and off, lockdown, every single thing. So my weight was just going up, down, up, down, up, down, and then we hit July. In July, I realized that the weight that was a bother to me at the beginning of the year, I had now added more weight to that weight, and all my goals and plans of losing some weight by the end of the year were beginning to look unrealistic. I hadn't made any progress with regards to my fitness and my health from the beginning of the year. That was more or less like a wake-up call, and the reason I decided to do the juice cleanse is that I had read about it and it has a good number of benefits. So the first benefit is that it gives your digestive system a break. You're eating so much different types of foods, and your digestive system is working day and night sometimes to, you know, process every single thing that's going into your belly. So if you cut out solid food from your diet, you kind of give your digestive system a break so that it can, you know, rest and kind of rejuvenate. Another thing that I found in my research was that it helps with bloating, it helps with weight loss, it helps you have good sleep, and generally you have improved mental clarity. Basically every single thing that I needed at the time. During my research, I also made sure to check out juices that were appropriate for the juice cleanse and different types of fruits and vegetables, their benefits and all of that, and I share all this during the course of the video. I also went out, got every single fruit and vegetable that I needed, and that was going to last me for the 7 days, and then I started the juice cleanse. It's good. It's not too sweet. I think I'll add more ginger next time. I can't drink something that is not sweet and not make a face if I'm doing it. The plan is to drink this all day. I mean, I have a bottle. I'm going to take this bottle to work. So I'm going to drink this and hopefully it'll last the entire day. But yeah, I'm starting off with this one. Now let's see how it goes. Alright, so today is day 2 of my juice cleanse. Day 1 was hard. I think it's just normal with starting something new. Usually the first few days are a bit hard and it gets easier, hopefully. I drank this bottle of juice throughout the day, and then I came home and I, you know, had like a similar bottle all through the evening. I think the juice finished at around 9 o'clock ish. So yeah, so I pretty much drank juice all day up until 9 o'clock. Just like 2 bottles of this, and I was able to sustain me throughout the day and throughout the night, even though I got hungry, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, today is day 2 and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. I still have some leftover watermelon from yesterday and I want to use it because for some reason I think that if I don't use it, it's not going to be as fresh. So I'm going to use the remaining watermelon, make a juice out of it, then tomorrow I would, you know, figure out another juice to make. Let me show you what is going into today's juice. For today's juice, I'll be using some watermelon. I'll come back to this, hold on. I'll be using an apple because I don't want it to be too sweet. I don't want to have a lot of sugar throughout this juicing. I want to try to minimize my sugar. I'll be blending some mint leaves. I didn't use this yesterday, but today I'll be blending some mint leaves, and I'll also be adding some cucumbers. I also soak my ginger so that it gets soft and I'm able to peel it and blend it easily. supposed to add a lemon to the juice, but to be honest, I cannot stand drinking this because I feel like it will not be as sweet if this is added to the mix. Therefore, instead of adding this lemon to my juice, I am going to squeeze this into warm water and maybe add a little bit of cayenne pepper, and then I'll drink this morning before I go ahead and do my juice. I'm still going to be drinking lemon, but it's just not going to be my juice. Alright, so I have my cayenne pepper, lemon, water-ish ready. It's a bit hot. Ooh. But I just let it cool down and then I'll drink. It's currently 6:30 and this is all the juice I have left. I've literally been rationing this juice, like I take tiny sips throughout the day. I just wanted to say that today I felt a little different from how I was feeling yesterday. Yesterday I was just hungry and all. Today I feel tired. Not necessarily weak, just tired. Very sleepy as well, even though I slept how I'd usually sleep the night before. Well, my theory is that my body is trying to preserve energy, so it's like trying to shut down or go to sleep so that it's not using as much energy as it would on a normal day because I'm not eating a lot. So I also would like to say that I've been drinking a lot more water. I'm generally a huge water drinker. I drink a lot of water throughout the day, but I think I'm drinking more water now, which is kind of helping with the hunger because I'm pretty much always full. Yeah, I would let you know how it goes tonight, even though I think I would definitely sail through tonight and the rest of the 7 days, but one day at a time. I'll see you tomorrow morning, which will be day 3, and we will see how that goes. So for day 3, I want to do a very green juice. As you can see, I have 2 apples here. I have 2 small cucumbers. I have some lettuce, 2 lettuce leaves. I also think I'll add some mint leaves because I think I read somewhere that it helps with detoxifying. So I'll just add some mint leaves right now. Hold on. Alright, so I'll just add maybe this much of mint leaves and then just blend every single thing together. But first I'm going to chop it all up, and voila, I've chopped out everything. These are my apples, the cucumber, the lettuce, and right here this small part is where the mint leaves are, and I'm just going to blend every single thing. I don't have a juicer, but I'm going to blend every single thing and I will show you what the juice looks like once it's all done. I think it looks like thicker. It looks a bit thick. Let me show you. Like, this is how thick it is. I don't know if it should be this thick, but I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Let me taste it. Okay, I'm not used to it, but it's not sweet, but it's not horrible. Where I got the recipe from, I got it from a YouTube video and she said it was her favorite juice, so I don't know what's going on. For day 1 and 2, my juice literally filled the entire blender and I had like to blend an extra portion. But today, this is all the juice I have. The first day I drank 2 bottles of this throughout the day and the evening. Yesterday I drank about 1.5 bottles of this, because this is the juice I have left from yesterday. I couldn't drink any more juice. I was just tired of juice, which is interesting because I have like 5 more days to go. So yeah, I was able to sail through day 2, no cheating, and this is day 3. Good morning. Today is day 4 of my juice cleanse. I made it to day 4. I cannot believe it. Can you believe it? Anyway, I've just realized that for the past 3 days I've missed out something very important, which is wash your vegetables. I do the same with my ginger. I usually soak this up so that it gets it's moist or wet, and it's easy to take off the skin when it's like this. At least that is what works for me. Very important, if you're doing any juice cleanse, if you're using any fruit or vegetables, make sure that you're washing them before you use them, because you never know where they've been or where they're coming from. Now let's get into today's juice. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show. I used half of this last night for the juice I made, so I'm just going to use the remaining half and maybe get a little bit of this as well, so that it's a lot more juice, because this is like literally less than half. Yeah, I'll add a little bit of this, blend this, and look how colorful this is. So I just add a little bit of water and then of course blend it. So this is what it looks like. Let's quickly pour it in. Yep, this is all I have left. But yeah, I filled my entire bottle for the day. Oh my god. So good. So good. Hi, day 4 was a success. Today is day 5 and I've been so busy. I haven't eaten. It's currently 12. Wow, did I say 12? It's actually 2:21. I look a hot mess. I was going to look you for the camera, but I'm like, no, this is it. This is what you're getting today. I'll try mango juice with some carrot, a lot of water, because mango juice is just really thick. With a lot of water, some carrots, and some ginger. Sounds like a great plan. Let's try that. 3 ingredients. I hope it's good. So this is what it looks like. You have mangoes in here, 1 mango, you have 2 carrots and some ginger, and I'm going to add some water. And then we blend. It's definitely thick first impression, but it's good. It's good. It's not very sweet because my mango was not very ripe, but it is just sweet enough. I can taste the carrot, I can definitely taste the ginger, and I like it. Probably need another juice later in the evening, but I'm just gonna go finish this and then get back to work. I'll let you know how day 5 goes, but I'm so excited because after today, I have just 2 days and I am done with this juice cleanse. I'm still going to live healthy. I'm actually going to start a new challenge after this one, because this is legit a series. I want to switch my entire lifestyle week by week, and I'm calling it the body back series, just in case you've not noticed. And the plan is to lose at least 1 kilogram every single week up until December. So yeah, that's the plan. So as soon as this one is done, I'm definitely starting another challenge. But yeah, let's see how this one goes. So far, I am proud of myself. Very proud of myself, I must say. If you're thinking about it, I promise you, you can do it too. I'm just hoping it does something to my weight. I think it has, because already my clavicles are poking out and I somehow feel like my cheeks are reducing. I don't know, we'll see. Guess who made it to day 7? Guess who made it to day 7? Hey guys, today is day 7 of my juice cleanse. Of course, I'm going to juice today for the last. Today I'm using the last piece of watermelon I have. I'm juicing this, but this is not enough juice for the day. I may throw in some cucumbers, some carrots, some maybe lettuce, just to have more juice to last me through the day. So that is that. I'm so happy for day 7. Can't wait to sit down and talk you through my results. I really think that my face has shrunk. I don't know, maybe I'll do like a side-by-side comparison from day 1 and let's see if I shrunk. I'm going to stand on a scale and I'll let you know if I lost any weight. But I kind of see changes in my body, especially my face. My tummy has also, like, you know, but I'll get to my results very soon. But let's just make this juice and be on our way. I'm almost done with this, and I actually forgot, like, this is the best juice I've done. Go back and look at what I put in there and make it. Is very nice. How everything just came together and like it has this really nice. This one is the best. By the way, I made up the recipe. I don't know what proportions. I just literally just showed you what I put in there. So yeah, I was just winging it. And by the evening of day 7, I was sick. I can't breathe without this because the air is like really harsh and cold. And I can 100% tell you that the juicing is not what made me sick. I was sick because of something else. I made an entire video about that. And I'm telling you this because I did the challenge in July, early August, and we are in September. So you may be wondering why it took so long to film or talk about it. That is why I fell sick immediately. Like on the last day of the challenge, on the 7th day, by evening, I was sick. I was down for about 2 weeks straight. But the reason I was able to tell how much weight I lost was because I was so impatient. By day 6, I was feeling light. My cheeks were kind of, you know, my neck was feeling kind of, and my tummy was not as bloated as it was when I started. So I was a bit curious. I wanted to know how much weight I lost. So on the morning of day 7, I stood on a scale. I had lost 5 kg from that initial weight. I'm not comfortable sharing my weight on the internet, so you may have to take my word for it. But that is it. I don't see why I would lie about it because nobody's paying me to do this. I was so excited. I actually wanted to go on for longer, and I've watched videos where people have gone on for 21 days, 14 days. It's possible. The only thing is that you may miss eating solid food, and people have lost way more than 5 kg because they did it for longer. So if you're interested in that, you could definitely try it. But for me, I decided to stop at 7 days, even before I fell sick. I fell sick and I couldn't be checking my diet like that because me getting better was you know, a priority. So I had to eat, to take my meds and all of that. So all my progress shattered and all of that. But I can definitely tell you that the juice cleanse works. I will do it again probably next month and I'll vlog about it. I want to do an extensive video like this one. So if you want that, you can definitely subscribe and watch me do it. Hopefully I do not fall sick again. But yeah, that is it. I did a 7-day Oli Salad challenge some months back, and for that one I showed you my body, my measurements and all of that. So if you're interested in that, that's also a bit difficult because I ate Oli salads for 7 days, nothing else. So if you also want to try out the salad challenge, I'm going to link the video right here. You can tap on it and watch it. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box so you can tap it and watch it. I would try as much as possible to leave every single ingredient, or if I'm pushing, I'll probably leave the recipes for all the juices I made over the 7 days in the description box so you can check it out and make them for yourself. Or you can just rewatch the video and get all the ingredients and every single thing and make those juices for yourself. Also, be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'm going to be documenting my fitness journey, my weight loss journey in this body back series, so you can follow along if you like this kind of content. Otherwise, I will see you in this video.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights.